Hello and welcome to another GEG NI how-to video. This time we're going to look at using conditional formatting to color code from a drop-down menu. So as you can see here, I have a sheet of data that is a set of responses from a Google form that I have sent out to staff. It's going to be myself and two other staff members working collaboratively on this sheet. And we want to be able to say whether something has been completed or it's in progress or it hasn't been completed at all. The way I'm going to go about this is by using data validation within Google Sheets. So this column is going to be my drop-down column, and I'm simply going to go to data validation, and then from here I can put in my different roles. So I want to have three options. My first option is yes, in progress, and then finally no. Now, as you can see, this has automatically come up as a smart chip, but I want this to be slightly different. I want it instead to be an arrow, because that's going to allow for my conditional formatting. So I have reset this person's password, so I'm going to set it to yes, and you can see that this one cell has changed colour. Now, to make this easier for anybody who's in the sheet to see what is still to be done, I would actually like the entire row to change colour. So in order to do that, I just have to set up the conditional formatting. So I'm going to select all the rows that are involved and go to Format, Conditional Formatting. It's automatically set to if is not empty. I'm going to change that now to my custom formula. And my custom formula is the very first cell of my drop-down menu. I'm going to put in the $sign so that the column stays the same, but the row will change each time to apply the row. So the first cell is D2, and if it equals, in quotation marks, yes, I would like the cell to go green, and as you can see, it's already done this. If I go to add another row now, it will keep my range the exact same, so I don't have to reselect anything. My custom formula remains the same, and all I have to do now is change my yes to in progress and change my colour. And then finally, if my drop down is no, and change the colour. And once I hit done, all three formulas are in place for the area selected. And as you can see, the row changes colour for all of them. And if I then change and say, no, actually, this is not quite complete, and I change it to in progress, it changes colour every time according to the drop-down menu. So hopefully that helps, and enjoy using your new Google tools.